So here we are inside of Fusion 360. I just opened it up and I have an empty project space here. And what we're going to do is go to import this SVG of the Space Invader into our project. So I'm going to go up to Insert, Insert SVG. The two types of files you can put in Fusion directly are SVG and DXF. SVG is probably easier to deal with because you can actually work with it in Illustrator more easily than the DXF file. So I'm going to click on Insert SVG, and it's going to ask what plane do you want to put that on. So I like to work on the bottom plane here, which would be just top from bottom to top, this bottom plane here. This is the center origin, and we're going to go to select SVG file. I just downloaded that file, so I'm going to go to Downloads, and I can see Space Invaders, this SVG right here. So this guy right here, SVG, and then so I'm going to scroll out a little bit. So basically you end up with this thing right here. It's asking you where you want to put it. Now I personally like to always put whatever I'm working on in the center origin like this. So you grab that, click and hold and drag, and then this stays in the center origin. So if we make changes to this later, we kind of always know that we're sort of in the center there. That makes things a lot easier later. So we'll click OK on that, and we'll finish the sketch. And now we have our Space Invader guy basically just laying on the surface here. And we'll start to do other things with it in just a second.